With an infant, a toddler, and a preteen, Maria Heyer is on nonstop mommy patrol.
All right, buddy.
Just within the Italian community, you know, before you're married, when you get married, when you get married, when you're having a baby, when you have a baby, when you're having the next baby.
But it wasn't always this way. This house used to be quiet.
Just like you look to blame yourself, you look to blame your spouse, you also look to blame God.
After their firstborn,
And Maria Teresa.
the Heyers spent years unable to conceive again. Their dreams of having a big family with memories to fill a mantle were falling apart. They turned to doctor after doctor.
I'd be on the 6 train going up to Lenox Hill and wanting to turn around and just go home and just like give up.
Maria, a devout Catholic, refused treatments that were supposed to guarantee a pregnancy, like hormone injections and in vitro fertilization. Doctors told her that was her only option. Desperate for the family of their dreams, the Heyers even went to the Bishop of Brooklyn for advice. He gave them a third-class relic of St. Gerard Majella, the patron saint of expectant mothers and unborn children. He told them to place it under their bed, but that didn't seem to work either. After nearly 6 years, the Heyers were giving up.
You wind up starting to say, well, is it me? And then when you get through the part of accepting whether or not it's me or not, then you also look and say, well, is it you?
Then someone told them about a Catholic alternative.
The job of any doctor is to figure out what's causing the symptoms. And infertility is a symptom. It's a sign that something's going wrong.
Dr. Paul Carpentier is the medical director at the Gianna Center, a small Catholic health center that specializes in women's health and fertility.
She must be happy that this is better.
He's one of the first family physicians trained in something called NAPRO technology, a natural medical approach to treating women's reproductive disorders.
They went step by step to diagnose what could have been preventing any kind of fertility, as opposed to just trying to, get her pregnant.
NAPRO technology is a restorative reproductive medicine, meaning it's based on figuring out what's wrong through tests and studies and fixing it.
And what's wrong is not necessarily revealed in tests, although those are very important. Revealed in surgery, that's very important, but it's also revealed in listening.
Catholic Health Services allows on average 1 hour with patients. Currently, most doctors only see their patients for 7 minutes.
And you can't figure these things out in 7 minutes.
Infertility is common in the United States. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, about 10 in 100 women have difficulty becoming pregnant or staying pregnant. Through simple blood tests and talks, Maria found out she had endometriosis. Soon after her surgery, she and John had an announcement to make. A miracle, a beautiful, healthy baby. Maria credits NAPRO technology. The success rate is the same as IVF, but the prematurity rate is 6-fold less. Dr. Carpentier says they're saving 1 embryo at a time.
Each embryo is a person. And so if you have a person on board, it's like you want to take great care of that. You don't want to subject it to unnecessary risks.
Less than a year after their second born, the Heyers gave birth to another baby. He was born on the feast day of St. Gerard Majella.
I really believe that if you have faith, you don't believe in coincidences, you believe in miracles and providence, and that things happen for a reason. Who's that?
The Heyers think that one day they might give the relic to another couple who just might need a little faith. Michelle Powers, Currents News.